Hey, Johannes here of NewGadgets.de, and I'm at the IFA 2019 in Berlin right now, and at the Acer booth we're having a look at the new Acer Swift 5. And this is the lightest 14-inch notebook in the world right now. As you can see, I just hold it over here on the edge and it is super light. And I really have to say, very impressive. Also when you close it down, pretty thin, and that is really a notebook that you can bring into the train, the plane, and don't even feel it when you have it in your bag. So that's pretty nice. Also from the performance, we have the 10th generation of Intel Core i processors. In this model, the Intel Core i7-1065G7 CPU with over here 1.3 GHz. There are also 8 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. But of course there will be several configurations available. Let's check out the display. As I said before, 14-inch. It is non-glossy, what I really like. And the cool thing is, it has touch. So it is non-glossy and still has touch, and that is pretty nice. The display has very thin bezels over here on the side, and on top there's still space for a webcam, and the resolution is Full HD. As a GPU, there's the NVIDIA GeForce MX250, so this notebook can even play some casual games. And we get up to 12.5 hours of battery life, and there's also fast charge. So this is really a notebook for people who are always on the go and travel a lot, because it is so thin and light. And when you check out the ports over here on the right side, you have the audio port, USB-A and the Kensington locks, also the status LEDs. And over here on the left side, there's the DC-in, HDMI, USB-A and USB-C port with Thunderbolt 3. To be honest, I don't know why they still build in a DC-in, because theoretically you can also charge it with USB-C. That would be, of course, in my opinion, a bit better. So this is the new Acer Swift 5 over here at the IFA 2019 in Berlin. If you have any questions about this notebook, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos over here from IFA 2019. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!